this first episode of SāpādShālā's Lockdown Recipes Week, we are going to be making pasta. And this is a completely no sauce pasta which will get done in just 10 minutes. We are making spaghetti Alio e Olio. Don't get scared. As you all know, pasta is an Italian dish, and in Italian, Alio refers to garlic and Olio refers to olives or olive oil. This recipe can be done with just a handful of ingredients and it's so flavorsome. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Originally, it is flavored with a fresh herb like parsley. Here I have used spring onions to add that extra flavor. You could even use dried herbs to add that flavor. Also, in order to bring some texture, I have used broccoli in my recipe. This is a must try for the weekend dinners and I'm sure you'll love it. This is the dish which chef prepares for Molly in the Hollywood movie Chef.